beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's a quick update about chicken of the woods. This is my absolute first found and I'm over the moon, and I was looking everywhere. I couldn't find it and I see everybody posting pictures. I just took this and I could see there were some babies growing as well, so I'm gonna check it in a couple of days time. I went to pick up actually some dog seeds. I'm gonna make more of the dog seed flour. This is what I've got from last year. You can see it's nice and brown, and you can check the link above where I was making it. And I was just collecting the seeds and I just look around, turn, and ta-da! There it was, and I couldn't believe it. I really didn't want to make more of the dog seed flour because it was quite labor, shall we say. It's not difficult, but you need to put some effort into it. But lately I was making some muffins with spelt flour and combined with this one and some carob, and it was so nice and rich and nourishing, and I was thinking, you know what, I'm gonna make some more because I've got loads of blackberries in my freezer, and I combine it and it was beautiful. And if I wasn't gonna collect these, I wouldn't be able to find this wonderful chicken of the woods. So you can see it a bit closer look. And you need to be careful, and I'm gonna test it on myself. So basically few of the people react and it can really upset their stomach. So what you should make, you should really fry a bit and try and see how you react. Make sure you cook it thoroughly. With any wild mushrooms, it needs to be cooked properly. What is nice, you can make it into sort of strips and do sort of like chicken strips. You can put it in flour with egg and breadcrumbs, and it make a wonderful sort of chicken strips. And I think I don't have eggs, so I'm gonna make it with chickpea flour, sort of like seasoning, and I fry it. So I hope I'm not gonna react, but yes, please be very careful when you're starting with something new, and remember where the mushroom was growing, because next year you might find another one. And here we go, some frying time. I can't wait to taste it. And here it is, absolutely wonderful. Enjoy. So I hope you find it useful. I hope you will be able to identify chicken of the wood. And yes, go for it, enjoy it, happy foraging. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so. Share with your friends and family, spread some love. Thank you so much for watching and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.